Hi guys! Okay, so I know on my last video I told you guys that I was going to do a fall outfit of the day. But I'm going to change that to a outfit of the day that's going to be a little bit different. Okay, so if y'all didn't know about me, I love country music. I love hunting. I love the outdoors. Um, it might be weird because I'm Asian, because you will never see the Asian country girl before, but I'm proud to say it. I love hunting. I love shooting. Um, mudding. I love all that. So this is gonna be an outfit of the day. I just put my hair up, simple. I didn't have to do it. I mean, if you're gonna wear a hat like this, you don't really need to do your hair. Just put your ponytail through the hole. Voila. Through the hole. And yeah. The hat looks funny. But anyways, I'm gonna take it off. So this is my hat. I got it at Tractor Supply at Houston, Texas. I live in Houston, Texas. So I don't know if there's Tractor Supplies in wherever you guys live, but there's Tractor Supplies at Houston, Texas. Tractor Supplies is like a clothing store slash a feed store, where feed store is like where you buy feed for deers, for pigs, for like your animal on the farm. So Tractor Supply, I got this hat. This was like $15 for this hat. And then my shirt that I'm wearing, I got it all the way in Shiner, Texas. I know at Academy Sports and Outdoor they have this short shirt, but I wanted this shirt at Shiner, Texas, and you guys will know why right now. Cause the Shiner come and take it. It has the Texas flag, which is so adorable, and this is a small, and it looks like a freaking medium. I wish they had like an extra small. So yeah. And then I'm wearing just plain old shorts. I love these shorts. And then I'm wearing my boots. I took them off. I took one off so I could show you guys. I bought these boots in Cavender's. This is how they look. Pretty adorable. Look at that. These cost me $179. Almost 200. I know, crazy. Cavender has a lot of expensive boots. I mean, some are like about 100. That's it. But these are special because it's all blinged up. That's why. Not blinged up. Jeweled up. Jeweled up. Okay. So it's really cute. I love the design on the letter, full letter, or whatever. This is our cow letter or something. I don't know. And it's cute because right here has little jewels as well. And this boots are ooh, I cannot say that. Ariat, A-R-I-A-T. And this is the size 7, but I'm a size 6. But every time when you wear boots, you have to have a size bigger. It's just like shoes. It's just like regular shoes and regular heels. You need a one size bigger, so it won't rub against your foot where your foot is like bleeding to death. So this is a size 7. I'm in love with my boots. Everywhere I go, I always wear these, and I always get compliments. Like, I'm not racist or anything. I love black people. Like, old black people are so nice. Like, those old folks. They're so nice because, I don't know, I like old people better because they're so nice. But, this old old black lady. She was like, I like your boots, honey. I like your boots. I'm like, oh, thank you, madam. And she was just so nice. And I was like, that made my day because, I spent my whole paycheck on my boots. So I was like, I deserve compliments. You know? So, okay, so, oh, my hair smells funny and, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My outfit of the day. This is a weird outfit of the day. I just hope you guys like it. Sorry, my brows falling. And just so you guys know, I'm not in my room. This is my father's room. My room's like right next. Oh, hold on. Whoop. Right next door to the other wall. So, oh, and I did my nails. They're supposed to be leopard print. I did them myself. I don't know if they turned out good. Don't you guys hate these? Like, I'm not flicking it off, but like, you see my little boo-boo? Like, don't you guys hate that when your skin's like hanging and you just rip it all out? And then it just leaves like a boo-boo right there? Pooh. I hate those. But anyways, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys like it, and subscribe, like, and comment.